valid, that's everything I'm letting go. They say you don't know what you got up until it is gone, but what if you are letting it go? Look, all of the things that we just keep on holding on to, they not even gonna make us feel good. There's somebody, there's everything I'm letting go.
What you got a lot. You got it better than most of us now. That's food for the thought. Everybody's on the finish line now, but then you gotta start. All that you want is some applause, but you get booed on the spot. Do you get sick of this? Sometimes slit your wrist. When they get your ass out, get down and just peace on this. See them laugh in your face now, hear them say, ooh, look at that. You just tryna get your mind straight, but there's fools on the chat. Tell me this just what I'm here for. Get it all, then try to get more. Like a sales rep in the crack store, can I get just what I asked for? I look fly on the outside, but I'm patched up on the inside. Middle finger to the wall now, no apologies, no peace.
I'm body, there's everything I'm letting go. They say you don't know what you got up until it is gone, but what if you are letting it go? Look all of the things that we just keep on holding on to, they not even gonna make us feel good. That's everything I'm letting go.
You than herself next, and never tires of caring for everybody. If we call for a party, she's the first on the guest list. Yes, cause she's in charge of the child. All the kids call her